In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID email address. So to change your Apple ID email address, it's very simple and easy to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings. So just tap on settings on your phone. So once you tap on settings, go to your Apple ID account by clicking on your name at the top. So once you click on that, here now, I want you to tap on sign in and security. So let's tap on sign in and security. So once you tap on sign in and security, it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, what you want to do here, if you check the first thing here, we have the email and phone numbers. So we want to tap on add email or phone number. Once you tap on that, it's going to take you to this page. What you want to do here, it will ask you, do you have an existing email address that is linked to any Apple ID before, or you want to use a new iCloud email address, or you want a phone number. So we are here for the email address. So if you already have an existing Apple ID email address, you can just tap on the first one. And if you are new, if you want to create a new email for the iCloud, you can click on new iCloud email address. So anyone, depending on anyone you want. So let's just tap on this first one, existing email address. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. So what you have to do is just have to put in the email and tap on continue, and this will be added to your Apple ID successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually change your Apple ID email from one email to another on your iPhone device. Thanks for watching.